One important thing you can do is when people arrive at the event and during the registration.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
You can give them welcome handouts and brochures that they can use during the event and also take home. So what will those contain and why is it so important? Well, it's going to contain the itinerary for the event. That's first of all. It's going to contain more. We'll get to it. But when it has the itinerary of the event, more information about how to get situated, what does that do? It makes people feel more welcome. It makes them feel more comfortable right away. They're going to be better interacting, more friendly with other attendees, especially people who come early. They'll have more to do, like browse the brochure. Because they'll feel more welcome, they'll be warmer all around, and that's going to translate to the next attendees, and it's not going to feel as cold right away. It's going to facilitate a warmer feel. That's a subconscious thing that happens, but it is going to happen. And it's also going to make your event look and feel much more organized. So that right away is really valuable. But what's really also going to happen is that in the brochure, you're going to have some promotions. For example, you're going to promote your next event. You're going to have the dates and you're going to have the venue so that people know. And you want to make them keep the brochure with them, not just throw away. So you want to have some sort of discount codes that they can use when they register for the next events right on the brochure. That way they're not going to throw it away. And you might want to add some helpful resources for them that are free that also they're not going to throw it away because they might save it. And because if they'll save it, they'll always on their desk when they get home, they'll have that brochure, a reminder of your events, and that might make them more likely to come back. Another thing you can do is promote your sponsors. In fact, some of your sponsors might end up paying for the costs of printing of these brochures if you're promoting the sponsors. And of course, in the brochures and the welcome handouts, essentially you can explain what else you do and how else you can help them. And that's another way that you don't only have to promote your events and sponsors, but you can also promote anything you're upselling, your services, anything like that. So that's all the value you get from something as simple as handing out event itinerary sheets to people when they first arrive to your event.